Hi everyone, Margaret Barron here. The purpose of this little video is to show you how you might create a PowerPoint presentation which shows yourself in the picture as well as your slides. So I've just made up a dummy assessment 3 and I'm going to show you how you would use PowerPoint to create this recording. So what you do is you go up to record. You click on that, you press record, and you start recording. Okay, so hello everyone, it's Margaret Barron. I'm going to produce a brilliant Assessment 3 presentation on business communication and conflict resolution. I'm going to have an introduction where I'll explain some content. I'll have some beautiful PowerPoint images and I'll also have some references. I'll have the body of my presentation again with some content, some images and references, and a conclusion again with some content, images and references. I'll have a separate slide that has my references on it, and other slides will have in-text citations. And so now I'm going to stop the recording on PowerPoint, which is in the top right hand corner, and I will show you what it looks like. So I'm going to stop my recording, and once I work out how to do this, okay, so that's stopped the recording. And then what I need to do is I've created the video, so I need to export the video. So I'm going to create a video, assessment 3. I'll just put it on my desktop. And it will be there, and then I can upload that to YouTube, and then I can send the lecturer a link via Blackboard to my assessment 3, and you'll see me and you'll hear me. So hopefully that assists in using PowerPoint. Now there is one proviso to this, is if you record on PowerPoint, you've obviously got to have a camera built into your laptop, or if you're on a desktop computer, that you've actually got a USB camera. Okay, hopefully that's helpful.